ready?
I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away. Oh my lord. Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera is again Panama Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. He doesn't like that one. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is 104 degrees outside the heat index, so we're going to do this inside, the inside edition, and this is a 1998 C5 Corvette. However, it's a wee bit fiddled with, wouldn't you say that, Jake?
I would say it.
So it's a 350 LS stroked out to a 408. It's got a 4L60E level 3 by ARD out of Houston, Texas transmission. It's got transmission cooler. It's got a 3600 Yank stall with lockup with the shot of Nitrous. Yes, it is a, let's see, it's Nitrous Express cold fission kit has been installed. It's 610 horse with 575 foot-pounds of torque. It's 150 pound shot of nitrous. No, I am not using the nitrous today. Yes, I kind of want to, but I was already threatened twice. So, we're not doing it. I want to though. 11-to-1 compression. It's got a Scat crank, Eagle Raj, forged coated pistons, heads. It's very tunable, and the nitrous shot's very tunable. So right now it's tuned 150, but you can go a little higher. It's got race wheels on the back, race wheels on the front, nittos. Really nice interior. It is a beast. It's got a little cage built in there, as Jake can see, and we're going to point all this out on our drive, but yeah, this is not your dad's C5. If you wear your jean shorts, you can, but I wouldn't. I want to pop this hood, don't I? Oh, yes, I do.
Yeah, I want to see the engine bay. It really doesn't look that crazy under there, but we do have sticky Mickey Thompson tires on the back, which is very nice.
As well, you should.
It looks like it says Race Star. Maybe that's the brand of wheels. Race Star wheels. Very cool looking on this car. Similar to the 5-spoke C5 wheels. Little vent here on the side. Also quite cool.
It's obviously got a different hood.
Yeah, the hood's got a big cowl in it, which is cool. See, pretty normal looking under here for the most part.
But there's some hoses.
If you start looking close at all these braided lines, you might understand, yeah, that's probably nitrous.
Things are happening.
This thing is built for speed.
So you're saying it's faster than my Honda?
I'm saying it's way faster than your 2019 Honda Accord, yes.
Okay, I'm gonna have to take your word for it, but I sure do love that car.
All right.
Did we pop the back? No, we didn't.
Oh yeah, by the way, we have two tops.
Yes, we do have two tops. We have this nice white top, obviously, it matches the car, and then we do have a glass top.
There should be a button to the left of the steering wheel for the back.
There it is.
There you go. Also, the back window looks tinted, which is nice.
Very tinted.
Got a little wang back here.
Does have a whang.
There's the other top. If you lift the top up slightly, you have the nitrous down there. There's the bottle with the gauge. Very, very...
This is a purpose-built car.
It's purpose-built. Forged bottom end, 408 stroked out LS.
Wow.
It's fast.
Shall we?
Let's start it up.
Let's do it.
Here's your microphone.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Let's let this beast of an engine warm up a little bit.
Yes, it is a beast.
Oh, close the door. Nice. I'm going to put my seatbelt on.
You should definitely do that.
My real seatbelts for real people. We're in a white Corvette. It's not little or red.
No, it's not. It is a beast of a car, and I'm pretty excited about driving it.
What I do like about it, though, is the interior, looking forward at least, is basically factory looking. Nothing really changed in here. The shifter does feel a little bit different, probably because it has a built transmission with a 3600 stall converter, I think it said.
That is correct.
Built in Houston, Texas by,
ARD?
was it ARD?
I believe so.
Yes. Level 3 4L60E by ARD out of Houston, Texas. Very nice. And a transmission cooler,
Which is
help
really
keep it
important.
cool while you're racing. 3600 Yank stall with a lockup. 610 horsepower, 575 pound-feet of torque with the 150 shot of nitrous. 11.1 compression. Woo! Yeah, built bottom end. This thing's no joke, but you can also just cruise it around without the nitrous if you want to. You don't have to use the nitrous. Oh, here we go. It's still fast without it.
Yeah, it's I gotta be very careful what I do.
Although we do have big sticky Mickey Thompsons on the back, so
Sure does help. Gives you a little bit of confidence.
I also like that they kept the very comfortable stock C5 bucket seats.
You know, this is a comfortable car.
C5s are all comfortable, I think, and I like the seats in them, so I'm glad they kept them. Didn't put race buckets or anything in it.
Oh.
The one change to the interior is this kind of these two roll bars back here,
That's important.
which they don't get in the way of anything really. They don't take up that much space, so it's really not that big of a deal.
Helps with rigidity.
Helps with rigidity. And then the hood, like we said, is different. It's got a cowl and it says Chevrolet in there that we can see.
And a bow tie.
And a bow tie, which is very cool. If the camera would focus, that would be even cooler. There we go. It says Chevrolet
Yes, it
inside
does.
the cowl.
Inside the car.
And the interior still is in nice condition. The dashboard isn't cracked anywhere.
No.
Still very good. You got the radio and the air controls down here.
Normal stuff.
And then under this door, oh, look at that.
Don't touch it.
Those are the switches, I'm assuming, for the nitrous. One of them is probably to arm the system, and one of them is probably to use the system, if I had to guess. But you still also have the stock cigarette lighter,
Oh, nice.
in case you want to take up smoking. There's a little cup holder there as well, or ashtray.
Our ashtray.
But don't smoke. Smoke tires, not cigarettes.
This will smoke tires.
This will definitely smoke tires. You still got the different buttons for your gauges and stuff. You can scroll through on your dash. Still got the factory gauges, which is nice. I like the factory gauges in the C5, so I like that.
Me too.
Nice steering wheel. No buttons on the steering wheel in 1998.
Just a horn.
Just a horn. You still got the big Corvette badge in it though, which is cool. I'm sure it tilts somehow.
It does. Down here.
Oh, there you go. It's tilting.
I don't think it does telescopic, but
That's
we'll
all right.
find out.
That's all right. Yeah, automatic shifter, of course. Traction control button is still down here. Big and bold, because Chevy knows how to party.
Oh, they know how to party.
This is nice, though.
Oh, it is.
It doesn't drive like a crazy race car, really.
Drives like a Corvette, which is a race car, but what it is it's a well-built, purpose-driven. I mean, this thing's gonna go flying down the old quarter mile.
Yeah.
Flying.
I don't know. I don't think we have any quarter-mile time slips to know what this runs, but you could find out if you purchased this awesome vehicle.
Absolutely.
You could take it yourself, figure out that sort of thing.
Figure it
Yeah, we're not going to be using the nitrous today or giving it full beans,
Not allowed.
because we want you to experience that yourself for the first time.
I got
We
two
wanna-
phone calls. They both said don't do it. I'm like, I won't do it. What are you guys talking
I
about?
also do like that we have a painted target top. It's keeping the sun off of us nicely.
Which helps when it's 104 with the heat index.
Yes, it does. All right, we're at the bean test. There's a truck in front of us, but we can do a little one. Oh my goodness. It shifts.
Okay. All right.
It shifts, Peppy.
Okay, everybody. All right.
That
This
just-
wants to get going.
That banged in the gear.
I'm not happy though, so I'm going to have to do another. I'll have to do the drive-bys. I have to see what it's going to do. We have to see.
Chris is going to do the flyby so we can hear it. It does have headers, I think you said.
Yes, it does.
So it does sound pretty good.
Well, honestly, I'm very happy with the way it drives. I mean, it is a cold start. It is. It's got so much to it, but I'll tell you, whew, you can tell it wants to get going.
Yeah, you do have to let the engine warm up for a little bit before you get going, or at least you should.
You should with something like this.
It helps the temperament of the vehicle.
Racing oil, that kind of stuff, all need to be used. Good fluids. Good fluids. You gotta love good fluids.
All right, here we are.
Here we are indeed. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it.
He's about to lose control and he thinks he likes it.
And the fact that he knows that song makes me happy to be alive. It's that good.
All right, here we are. There's no lawnmower here today, which is nice.
Nice! So you'll be able to hear us.
I will be able to hear.
All right, well, you probably need this then.
Yeah, I'll take that. And you do your flybys and be safe out there.
Oh, I will.
We're all counting on you.
Of course we will.
Oh, listen to it. There he goes. You know, Chris isn't used to doing the flybys, so we'll see how he does. Usually he's filming. But we're going to change it up because one of us is a professional photographer and videographer, and I'll give you a hint. It's not him, but he has driven many a car, so he should be able to do this just fine. He's ready. Well, it's not quiet. I can tell you that much for sure. He got on it a little bit late, but boy, that thing sounds cool. I wasn't ready. I didn't know he was doing another one. Whoops. Well, Chris?
Sorry, Jake. I felt the good Lord jet me on that first one, a good one, so I went around one more.
Yeah, I wasn't prepared for you to do a third one. I did get it on camera.
Yay! I was hoping, buddy.
I didn't know you were going to come by again.
Well, it just seemed like there was too much traffic all of a sudden. Anyway, wow, does this car need a wide berth?
Yeah?
I need people away from it in the front because I will catch up to you.
Yeah, it's quick.
Oh, once it gets going, it's ridiculous. And this is without nitrous.
I know. It sounded good going by, too.
I can't imagine. Oh, did it?
Yeah.
I can't imagine it with the nitrous.
Yeah.
I cannot imagine it. It is really a fun car for a C5, which you don't think this kind of horsepower out of it, but boy, is it ready. I love this car.
Ready to take it back?
Let's go.